so I don't feel any worry about coming a little close to him. Don't be using your phone, mate. You can't be having your phone on your lap, mate. No, we won't stick her on there. It's shirty lad. Can't see that being a positive interaction. I mean, you have a lit up phone in your lap, you've been using it, you've been typing on it, you've been scrolling, the screen's still lit up. It doesn't just end up there without you using it. It's too potentially risky. Cherise Arnold. Six points, lads. 6 points, huh? What's it? YX65YLS. Too late, man. I don't know what you think you're going to cover up by starting your engine.